everyone. Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. So we're going to start with grade 10 maths. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 10 maths and then click on view all lessons. The chapter we're working on is linear functions. You can find a chapter on grade 9 maths. Got it? Just go to grade 9. Find the chapter linear functions and the lessons we're going to start today is transformations of linear functions and then the final test of the chapter. Got it? Let's just start with the first lesson that is transformations of the linear function. Okay, here is the lesson transformations of linear function. Let's just start with the lesson. Okay, find g of x where g of x is the translation 8 unit down of f of x equals x. Basically, you have to translate the function 8 unit down. Got it? Just look at the table. When you have to do the 8 unit down translation, you have to do f of x minus k. Got it? So use this translation that is f of x minus k. Replace the values. You are given with f of x that is x, and you are given that translation k is actually the root translation that is 8 units, so it would be x minus 8. Got it? Okay, the next one is okay, find g of x where g of x is the translation 7 unit down of f of x equals x. Got it? So you have to translate function 7 unit down. Got it? So you use the translation that you have to use for when the function translates k unit down. That would be f of x minus k. Got it? Here given with f of x that is x and k is down, so you have to x minus k. Got it? Okay, please keep this table in your mind, and that would be very easy for you to do the translations on the functions. Got it? Okay, the next one is find g of x where g of x is the translation 10 units down of f of x equals x. Got it? So down again you have to do f of x minus k. Got it? F of x is x and k is 10, so it would be x minus 10. Got it? Let's just start with the practice questions. Okay, find g of x where g of x is the translation 5 unit down. So you have to translate the function 5 unit down. Got it? So for 5 unit down, you have to do f of x minus k. Got it? That would be from the table we just did. It would be f of x minus k. F of x is x and k is 5. So it would be x minus 5. Got it? So the correct option is x minus 5. Just select the correct option. Option number 1 is the correct one. And then click on the OK button. Okay, so it is x minus 5. Got it. Just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is find g of x where g of x is the 8 unit down. Translation f of x equals x. Got it. So again, you have to do the translation 8 units down. So it would be f of x minus k, got it? So it would be x minus 8. So just select the correct option, that would be option number 1, and then click on the OK button, got it? Okay, the next one is find f of g of x, where g of x is the translation 8 unit up of f of x, got it? Now the function is translated 8 unit up, got it? So it would be x plus 8, got it? Whenever you have to translate up, you have to add, so it would be x plus 8, got it? So the correct option is option number 2. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, find g of x, where g of x is the translation 3 units down. So which of the option is the correct one? It is 3 units down. That means you have to subtract, got it? So the correct option is, yes, that would be x minus 3. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, find g of x, where g of x is the translation 7 units down of f of x equals x. So which is the correct option? It would be g of x minus 7, sorry, x minus 7, got it? That is option number 1. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, find g of x, where g of x is the translation 10 units up of f of x equals x. So which is the correct option? It is translated 10 units up, got it? That means it would be x plus 10, got it? So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, find g of x, where g of x is the translation 7 units up. So which is the correct option? Yes, it is x plus 7, got it? Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, find g of x, where g of x is the translation 10 units down of f of x equals x. So which is the correct option? It is 10 unit down, so it is x minus 10, got it? Find g of x, where g of x is translation 7 units up. So yes, that would be x plus 4, got it? For the up translation, you have to add. Okay, find g of x, where g of x is a translation 2 units down of f x, x equals x, which is the correct option? Yes, that would be x plus 2, got it? So we have done with the test. Oh, sorry, it would be down. That would be x minus 2. I selected the wrong option, got it? Okay, we have done with the test. Let's just move on to the next lesson. The next lesson is the final test of the chapter. Let's just move on to the final test of the chapter. Okay, let's start with the final test. Okay, so we are on the final test of the chapter. Here is the final test of the chapter. Okay, we find the y-intercept of the following equation. So you have to find the y-intercept of the equation. Got it? So the first equation is 7x minus y equals, just rewrite the equation in the form y equals mx plus b. Got it? So it would be then move y to the other side and it would be 7x minus 5. Got it? So which is the m? M is 7. Got it? So the correct option is 7. The correct option is 7. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Oh, you have to find the y-intercept, not the. You have to find the y-intercept, not the slope. Got it? Just rewrite the equation like I did. So it would be then y equals. It would be y equals mx plus b. B is the y-intercept. So y-intercept is negative 5. Got it? So the correct option is negative 5. Okay. The next one is a line that includes the point A2 has a slope m. What is the equation in point slope form? You have to write the equation. So the point slope form is y minus y1 equals m x minus x1. Got it? That would be m. That is x1 and y1. Got it? So it would be y minus y1. It would be y minus 2 equals 1 over 9 and x minus 8. Got it? So the correct option is y minus 2, 1 over 9 x minus 8. Got it? Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. I don't know what's wrong with the question, but the correct option is option number 1. Got it? The one I did on the board. So just click on the got it. Okay, a line with a slope of 1 passes through a point negative 2, negative 4 and 3h. What is the value of the h? You have to find the h you are given with the slope. So just use the formula that is m equals y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Just put up the values. It would be x1 y1. It would be x2 y2. Got it? And here you have the slope. So it would be 1 equals y2 minus y1 h minus negative 4 and then x2 minus x1 3 minus negative 2. So it would be 1 equals h plus 4 3 plus 2. Got it? So it would be h plus 4 over 5 equals 1. Just do cross multiplication. It would be h plus 4 equals 5. So h equals 5 minus 4. That would be 1. Got it? So the point h is equals 1. Got it? So the correct option is 1. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, function A and function B are linear function. You're given me two of the functions. You need to see the slope of which function is greater. Got it? Let's just find the slope of both the functions. So the slope of this function is y equals mx plus b. So the slope of this function is 2. Got it? Let's just find the slope of this one. Just use 2 points. One of them is 1 and 0 and the other one is this one 2 and 4. Just use these 2 points and find the slope. Got it? Y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. It would be 4 over 1. That is 4. So slope of this function is 2 and this function is 4. Got it? That means slope of function B is greater than slope of function A. Got it? The correct option is the slope of function A is less than slope of function B. That would be option number 2. Got it? Slope of function A is less than slope of function B. Option number B is the correct option. Okay, the next one is a line that includes the point 7u and 8, 7 has a slope of 5. What is the value of the u? Use the formula that is m equals y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Just put the values. Slope is 5. 7 minus u divided by 8 minus 7. point is y equals 7 minus u over 1. Just move u to the other side, it would be 7 minus 5, that is 2. Got it? The correct option is 2. Graph this equation x minus 2. So x equals minus 2, that means the graph is the horizontal. Got it? Here you have x minus 2, just vertical graph. Sorry, it is not the horizontal one. This is the graph for x equals negative 2. Got it? Okay, click to learn. Okay, got it. Okay, find the slope of the line that passes through the point. So you're given with two of the points. Just find the slope. Got it? x1, y1 is 2, y2. y2 minus y1 is 10 minus 8. x2 minus x1 is 2 minus 5. It would be 10 minus 8 is 2 and 2 minus 5 is negative 3. It would be 2 negative 3. Got it? Option number 1 is the correct option. 2 over negative 3. Got it? Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, graph the line using slope and y-intercept. You have to find the slope of the line. Got it? Y-intercept is b, is the y-intercept, that is 7. Slope is negative 1 over 8. Okay, the first point is y-intercept is 7. That means the graph is touching the y-axis on the point 7. Got it? Here is the slope, the y-intercept. Got it? And then you have to slope. Negative 1 means you have to move negative 1 point down and 8 points forward. So here you are. Just join these 2 points and make the line. That would be the line of the graph. Got it? Okay, there you can see the graph of the question. Yes, 1 down and 8 right. Got it? Just join these 2 points and here is the line of the graph. Got it? Okay, let's just start with the move on to the next question. Okay, what is the slope of the point? Yes, that is negative 8 over 7. Got it? The correct option is negative 8 over 7. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Find the slope of the line that passes through the point. So you're given two of the points. Just find the slope. That would be m equals y2 minus y1. 1 minus 10. 1 minus 8. It would be negative 9 over negative 7. Cancel out the negative signs. It would be 9 over 7. Got it? So the correct option is 9 over 7. Okay, find the slope of line y equals 1 over 4, x minus 4. So which is the correct option? The slope is 1 over 4. Got it? Okay, find the y-intercept of the equation. So for the y-intercept of the equation, you need to put x equals 0 in the equation. Got it? Just replace x with 0. 7 times 0 minus 3y equals 0. 7 times 0 is 0. Negative 3y equals 0. That means y equals 0. Got it? The correct option is y equals 0. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, Christine can grow 2 flowers with every seed packet. Which write an equation that shows the relationship between the number of seed packets and the total number of flowers. So, which is the correct option? Yes, that is y equals 2x. Got it. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, rewrite the following equation in standard form. You have to write down the equation in standard form. Got it? So, remove that a, multiply both sides of the equation with 8. Got it? 8 and 8 cancel out. You are left with 8y equals 9x plus 5. So the standard form of the equation is ax plus by equals c. Move x and y on the same side. It would be 9x minus 8y equals negative 40. Sorry, 8 times 5 is 40. It would be negative 40. Got it? 9x minus 8y equals negative 40. Option number 1 is the correct option. Got it? Let's select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, graph this equation y equals negative 6. So you have to graph the equation y equals negative 6. Here you have the negative 6. So that would be a horizontal graph. Got it? Parallel to x-axis. Y equals negative 6. This is the graph actually. Got it? Okay. Okay, find g of x, where g of x is the translation 5 units down. So which is the correct option? 5 units down, right? So it would be subtracted. F of x minus k is the translation for 5 unit down. Got it? Okay, a line with a slope of negative 1 by 9 passes through the point negative 2, 3. Write the equation in slope intercept form. Got it? So it would be y minus y1. y1 is 3, so it would be y minus 3. M is negative 1 over 9, and x minus x1, that would be minus 2. Got it? So which is the correct option? Minus minus makes positive, so it would be y minus 3 negative 1 over 9 x plus 2. Got it? Option number 1 is the correct option. Got it? Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, graph the line using slope and y-intercept. Y-intercept is 7. Slope is negative 1 over 10. Y-intercept is 7. The y-intercept means the graph is touching the y-axis on 7. Here it is. And for the slope, you have to move 1 point down and 10 forward. So here is the 2 points. Just join these 2 points and form a line. This is the line of the graph. Got it? Okay, Paul has already spent 2 minutes on the phone and he expects to spend 2 more minutes with every phone call he routes. If he routes 4 phone calls, how much time will Paul have spent on the phone in total? Right? And solve an equation for the find the answer. It would be 2x plus 2. Got it? If x is 4, replace x with 4. It would be 2 times 4 is 8 and 8 plus 2 is 10. That means he spent 10 minutes on the phone. Got it? Okay, the point negative 3, 6 and negative 2w fall on a line with a slope of negative 9. What is the value of the w? So you just use the formula that would be y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Slope is negative 9, y2 is w minus 6 divided by negative 2, negative 3. Negative 9 equals w minus 6 minus 2 plus 3. That would be 1. Negative 9 equals w minus 6 over 1. It would be w equals negative 9 plus 6. Negative 9 plus 6 is negative 3. Got it? So the correct option is negative 3. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. So we have done with the final test of the chapter. So here is the list of the lessons we have to cover today. They are transformations of linear function and then the final test of the chapter. Got it? So we'll please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions for the lessons we did today. If you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? That's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.